Hi guys, this is Pawan, and today we are going to look about TDS sensor. TDS basically it is used to check the quality of the water. TDS means total dissolved solids in water. Uh, Mainly, it is used to check the amount of the dissolved matters in the water, like salt and other organic matters. So today we will look TDS sensor, and when we will interface it with Arduino, and we will program it and check the demo of the TDS sensor with different kinds of water. Different qualities of water. So it is an analog sensor. It is very simple to interface with Arduino. It is a 3-pin sensor, a VCC, ground, and analog. So you can directly connect this sensor to Arduino with 5-volt ground and analog pin. And we will write a simple code to read analog. Okay, to start the coding part of the project, we'll go to example and analog in out serial, and we will get some default code. That we have to add it. जो पिन हमने डिक्लेयर किया that is S0 for the analog input that is connected to our data pin of the sensor, and I think we don't need other things, so we will remove those. And it is the serial begin with 9600 baud rate, and we will reading here sensor value from the analog pin. And okay, so I think code is ready. So let's compile code, guys, and upload it to the first. Select COM port, that is 7 in my case. Select your board, that is ESP32. Okay, I'm waiting for the compile. And it is uploading. Uploaded. Fine. Okay, so our module is ready with code. Now let's see the connection of connection of TDS sensor with ESP32. So it is very quite simple. Just connect 5-volt to V in pin and ground to ground, and output pin of the sensor to the S0 pin of ESP32 analog pin to read the analog values from any module. You can choose any board like ESP8266, Arduino, or ESP32. No issue. Just connect your sensor with any analog pin of the controller, and just upload the code, and you will get the values. Now we are ready to see the demo part of the project. On the serial monitor, there is much difference between the filtered water and unfiltered water. So it's pretty easy to check the TDS of the water using this sensor, and I will also attach the link of this sensor if you want to purchase this. And if you have any doubt, question, please do comment. See you soon in next video. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and if you want to share with your friends, please do it. And thanks for watching the video.